Question 4. Here is a four-sided spinner. The spinner is biased. The table shows the probabilities that the spinner will land on a 1 or a 3. The probability that the spinner will land on 2 is the same as the probability the spinner will land on 4. Part A. Work out the probability that the spinner will land on 4. Well, we have to remember that all probabilities add up to give us the number 1. So if we take away the two probabilities that we know, in this case 0.2 and 0.1, we'll be left with the remaining probabilities. And in this case, that gives us 0.7. The question also tells us that the two missing probabilities are equal to each other, which means they are both exactly half of this value, 0.7. So if we divide 0.7 by 2, we find out that the probability for 4 is going to be 0.35. It's the same for the probability for the number 2. Shunya is going to spin the spinner 200 times. Part B, work out an estimate for the number of times the spinner will land on 3. Well, the probability to land on the number 3 is 0.1. So if we multiply this probability by the number of times the experiment has been repeated, so 0.1 multiplied by 200, we get an estimate for the number of times it will actually land on the number 3. And the answer for this one is 20. So we think about 20 times the spinner will land on 3.